Hey guys, so let's learn about deep copy in JavaScript. So deep copy in JavaScript is used to create a copy of the original object so that the changes that we make in the duplicate object will not affect the original object. So here we created the object with some property like that. So what I will do, I will create another object, say copy, let copy equal to this JSON I will use, okay, for parsing and converting them to string. So here JSON dot parse, okay, then JSON dot stringify, and here I will write object. So why I have done like this? So using JSON.stringify of object, I am trying to convert the object into the JSON string format, and once that is done, so using parse method, I am creating a new object. Okay, that will be stored in the copy. So it means that whatever you do, the change in the copy will not affect the original object. Okay, so if I write console.log copy of uh, wait I need to write another thing like uh, copy of address equal to, suppose I write as Patna. Okay, Patna. Yeah, and if I try to print this address, it will give us Patna. At the same time, if I write to print console.log object dot address, it will give the both will give the different value. Copy will give Patna and address will give New York. Okay, you can see that. Uh, Copy is given Patna, and the object is given like Newark and US. So see the difference. Okay.